It's your boy Mike Tees, and I'm back at you with another video. Today I'm going to be talking about some of the samples that I got in mail from a couple of companies that sent them out to me. So I'm going to check them out, see what they are, and then review them in another video. But I just wanted to give you a close-up shot of some of my car decals. I had put one on my wife's rendezvous, which is directly behind me, and it says nurse life. You will never know the life of a nursing student. So stay tuned. Today about some of the samples that were sent to me from transfer. Well, I want to talk today about Nicosa's Coated Products, which sent me a sample for review that they wanted me to do on my channel, and also from Saul's Heat Transfer. So stay tuned. Priority mail. Priority. I am a priority, finally. Looks like I'm getting some notice. So we'll see what's in here. And they paid for shipping, so they must really want me to have the product. Okay, so it looks like a idea book and a price guide with some samples on the inside. Let's get into it. I saw that from YouTube 360 G's. He's always wrestling with his product, so I thought maybe I could do it, but it's a little bit harder than it looks. And that sun, that beautiful sun out there, it's shining bright. See what we got. All right, the guide in the book. Basically the book is a couple of shirts and different ideas. I'll open it so you can see. I'm gonna go through this book a little bit later, not when I'm on camera obviously, but take a look at the product, see what they got for me, and see some of the products they gave me. Alright, price guide and product. Okay, so it looks like we got a CAD print soft opaque transfer, Litchfield Trojan Soccer. That's the first thing they sent me. That's gonna look nice on the shirt. Youth Leader of Tomorrow Express Mat 250. That's pretty cool right there. Get my fingers out the way so you can get a clear shot of it. Oh, a glitter patch. And it's backwards. It's beautiful. That's really nice. And the next one, I mean, it looks like it's a pretty good amount of samples in here, probably like 20 of them. Tailgating party stretch litho. I've been hearing a lot about that. That's what I was really interested in. So I'm glad they sent me a sample of that. Maybe on a black t-shirt or something like that. A unicorn. Mystic Yoga. And this is Aqua Dry Block. That looks really pretty. One thing I'm not seeing on these transfers is the different times that you're supposed to be set at. So maybe it's in this guidebook. Oh, it is. Right here. Let's get on to the next one. A hot split. I gotta say, Stalls, your transfer's looking pretty nice here. Definitely will be ordering after I do the review though. First, gotta do the review. Make sure they actually work. And they're not just pretty on some wax paper. Puff print. And goof print. Like I said, guys, there's probably like a good 20 samples here. So they really did hook me up with a sample pack. Glow in the dark print. And it says Booze Cruise, Lake Erie, Ohio. Alright. Next one, pearl prints. That's really pretty too. Elastic prints. That one's gonna be primarily what I use for my sports teams. My friend has a baseball team, and he was asking me about the print. So this elastic print looking like something I could get into. The number 4, and it's just the number 4. name, and it actually says name. The number 1. The number 2. And the number 3. And what else? And the number 5. So it basically tells me what's new and the new prints that they're coming out with this year, and also to try the different temperatures and then order them, I'm guessing, the application instructions and all that. So yeah, that's from Stahl's Express Heat Transfers. If you guys say, I don't have my scissors with me, they're down in my studio, but I'm using a knife, and if any children are watching it, please have your parents open up the package, especially if you are using a knife. So let's get into it. This next sample pack is from Reyes Products. Really? I mean, really? Okay, buddy, we hear you. Let's get into it. Well, really, you're supposed to cut away from yourself, but no. It looks dangerous, people. Don't do it. Please do not follow my lead. I don't want no commenters saying, I'll cut my fingers off. Ooh. They made sure it was in there, didn't they? So what do we got? Okay. Oh. So we're dropping things already. But this looks like some transfer tape. And it's pretty nice. It's probably like 1 yard by 12. Clear coated if you want to take a good look at that real quick. And then itemized detail sheets. Okay, this sample is of it's 6 by 10 yard actually, and it's just a bunch of numbers. It doesn't have a real name. Hot mask tape, I guess that's what it is. We got something else in here. Let's take a look. And this is, it looks like a big roll of Scotch tape. But I'm guessing this is like transfer tape as well, or maybe a address tape that you could put on your box when you're shipping out your stuff. You want to get a close-up of that. Okay, I'm going to get into the samples. I'm actually going to try them out, and we'll shoot a video on that, and I'll give a review about those. If you would like to see more of my YouTube content, check the channel, hit the like, subscribe, and also subscribe to It's Just Slacks. Until next time. YouTube, it's your boy Mike T's back at you with another episode of my t-shirts. I'll start